Hi, I'm Ms. Vung and welcome back to my maths channel. Today we'll be looking at the language of linear equations. This is a table of words that we covered in another video. If you're not familiar with them, click on the little I and it'll take you to the video where we go through them. Double check and read through that you understand all these words mean addition, all the ones underneath here mean subtraction, those multiplication, and those one division. If there are any words where you still find a little bit confusing, make sure you write them down. Let's have a look at these two examples. You might want to pause and give it a go yourself first and unpause to see if you have the same answers as me. Subtract 10 from the product of 2 and x to give a result of 5. Now for this question, we realize that subtract 10 from means we have to write that after whatever reads next. The product of 2 and x. The word product means times. Whenever we times something by x, we don't write the symbol times, we just put the number in front of x like so. Now we can write minus 10 after that. To give a result of 5. To give a result means equal, and so it's equal to 5. So that statement means that equation over there. And recall, that's called a term, that's called a term, that's called a term, and the whole thing is an equation. The second example, a number a is multiplied by 10. Now instead of using x, we have to use a. Multiplied by 10 means 10a. Then 2 is subtracted, so minus 2. To give a result, again that means equal, of 20. Have a look at these. Using substitution, check whether the value in the brackets is a solution to the given equation. So we have to check whether a equals 4 will fit in this equation. To do so, we look at the left-hand side and compare it to the right-hand side. So for the left-hand side, we write LHS equals 2. Now we substitute 4 into the left side. So 4 in where a is, so 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. And we compare it to the right-hand side, which is 2. And we can see that 1 is not equal to 2, or in other words, it's not equal to the right-hand side, RHS, and therefore we write therefore, which are the 3 dots, no. A equals 4 is not a solution to this equation. Let's try that other example underneath it. Here we have the left side is x plus 3 over 2, and we're going to put x equals 11 into the left side again. So left-hand side, LHS equals to 11 plus 3 over 2. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then yes, 7 is equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, yes, x is 11 is a solution. So just a quick recap, you start with the left side, you evaluate, and then you compare it to the right side, and then you write therefore either yes or no, whether it fits or not. So that's it. It's a really quick video to reintroduce to you the keywords used in linear equations. Have a practice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.